How to give access to your Facebook page. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Facebook application, and then in here we'll have to switch to our Facebook page. To do that, tap on this profile picture, and then in here tap on your Facebook page, and then tap on the switch option. After that, we'll have to go to Facebook menu, tap again on this profile picture, and then tap on the settings icon. In here, we'll have to tap on the search bar and then type here page access. After that, tap on search. In here, we'll have to tap on this page access option, and then after that, we can now add or give access to our Facebook page. All we need to do is to tap on this add new option, and then tap on this next option, and then in here, we'll have to search for the account that we want to give access. So as an example, I'm just gonna search for my other account, and then I'm just gonna tap on this one. And then in here, you will be given a list of task access where you want the other account to have an access. So as an example, I'm gonna toggle on the insights, ads, and then the contents. And then I'm just gonna leave out the two following tasks. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna tap on this give access option. So to completely give access to that other account, all we need to do here is to input our Facebook page password. Once you're done, simply tap on the confirm option. So that's how easy you can give access to a Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!